Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lamborghini Urus front bumper. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a trim removal kit and a set of Torx bits. Safely lift your Urus and remove the front wheels to gain better access to the bumper's attachment points. Carefully locate and detach all visible fasteners and clips found within the wheel wells and along the underside of the bumper. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Next, you'll need to disconnect all electrical connectors. These typically power the parking sensors, fog lights, and any other integrated lighting or radar systems. Take your time to identify and gently unclip each one. After that, remove any additional screws or bolts that secure the bumper to the vehicle's main chassis, often found near the grille or headlights. Finally, release any remaining clips, ensuring no hidden attachments are overlooked. As you prepare for the final detachment, it's highly recommended to have a second person assist you. This helper can support the bumper's weight as you gently pull it away from the vehicle, preventing any accidental drops or damage. Ensure there are no remaining wires or hoses connected before fully separating it. Once free, carefully place the bumper on a soft, protected surface to avoid scratches or dents during storage. When reinstalling, reverse the steps, aligning the bumper precisely before securing all fasteners and clips. Double-check that every electrical connector is reattached and test all lights and sensors to confirm they are working correctly. This ensures everything functions as intended. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, a great resource is The Simple Path to Wealth *. Check the description for a link to this book and other helpful deals. Taking your time with reassembly will prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.